Good morning, class. Take a seat. Today we are dissecting frogs. Time to put on your gloves.
I can't do this.
Where do you think you're going? It's time to dissect frogs. You can go first, Richie. Come here, Richie. The class is waiting.
I think I lost her.
There is no escape, Richie.
Phew, it was just a dream. Okay, so what are we doing today?
Okay, class, now we're gonna take our SOL.
Come along.